Hello everyone, I'm Ligu. Today's topic is BTS Suga and IU's fortune harmony analysis. Many overseas subscribers requested it. I analyzed the fortune harmony between BTS Suga and IU, who showed me a great collaboration. Their fortunes were full of individuality. There was a reason why they made a beautiful collaboration. Let's analyze it together. Suga is a rich land in fortune. He is very realistic and takes good care of himself. IU is a candor in her fortune. She has a lot of thoughts and a warm heart. It's giving warm candor heat to the rich land. It's a good meeting. The recognition of the spouse is just below the letter pointing to themselves. Suga recognized the spouses as friends. IU wanted to take the initiative herself. There is a slight difference in this point. The right side of their fortunes is information about the year they were born, and the letters are the same. This means that they were born in the same year. However, the interpretation can be different because of the relationship between characters based on their fortune. Suga is full of confidence. IU is more attached to and proud of the outcome of her work than confidence. Their fortunes are those of unity and conflict at the same time. It's a fortune where sensitivity and humanity exist together. Suga on the left is a person who has quick judgment and execution. Practice is the best. He is a person who tries everything and does his best even if he gets hurt. He has excellent confidence and physical activity intelligence. There are occasional coincidents because there are collisions in the fortune, which can also be collisions between nerves and small bones. The part marked with an arrow is the energy that treats his spouse well. It's a good flow of energy. IU's conflict is at the top of her fortune, so she will appear to be more sensitive to things that are mentally thoughtful or small than to physical problems. For artists, this can be used positively, so she cannot be judged to be bad unconditionally. And she has a lot of people at the bottom. So she has a lot of human affection and a lot of kindness. And the words that I marked with arrows in their fortune are the energy that is good to their spouse. They have different characters that mean themselves, but they are good to their spouses and have the same letters that mean their spouses. It's an interesting structure. They are a result-oriented fortune structure. They are satisfied only when the results of their activities are good. It's a very similarity. And they are people who have the initiative in their lives. It's very cool. And they are very fast and they have great value judgment and execution. Very similar. Therefore, I can give them 95% for the musical collaboration. However, I will give them 86% as a couple because their personality supplementation is a little less. I wish them good luck and happiness in everything. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.